Yo, all right, today's October 17th, 2024. Um, I got my ass cooked today. Um, took 7 trades, a little bit all over the place. Not even gonna lie. I was able to finish positive, but it wasn't without me doing way more than I should. So I had a nice trade level here. Let's go to my actual screenshot. It's a lot easier that way. Had a nice trade level here, right? I said, okay, we had a lot of strong volume that came in. This is also news. Price moved up. Looks like we came back and retested it during the news time. So we had one, two, three, and then we bounced, right? And we pushed up. And then at the open, price tanked and dropped, right? Price tanked and dropped, went to the strong volume area and started reversing. All right, you can see that here. But I had a zero print that I noticed and I marked it. I tried and I seen that we filled it, but price tried to go short and then it kept going higher. And from there I took 2 trades. I don't really trade zero prints. I usually trade my levels, but I wanted to give it a shot and I ended up really just hurting myself one, two, 3 times, right? Trying to go short, getting stopped, getting stopped. And then price came to my actual level right here. This is what I was looking for. Right, this is like where I want to say price broke and retest it. If price comes here, it'll go up. All right, so I took the entry once I saw that we had a wick into that level on the 1 minute, and we started showing some legs here. So I took the entry before this 5 minute candles closed. I think I took it 1 minute before it closed, and then price dropped down. But since I took multiple trades and I was already in the red, and my goal was to take price down to down here, so 5907, 7, so that's 10, about 14 points right here, probably a little bit more because price went deeper into it. um I think when price reached here, I just took my exit full out and clean because I was just panicking, right? I don't even think we came back up to my entry level. Everything was just very bad, everything. All right, but this is what the price looked like. So from that entry here, price dropped, pulled up, and then pushed down. Um, and this was NQ. So this was it here. So price went all the way down to my level right here. Right. Um, yeah. So it went down to like 5891. So 5891. 5891 with an entry at 5907. 5891 minus 597, so 16 points, uh, times was, I guess, would be $60 because one was 50 and when the other two was 2. So this would have been it, right? um, I think I was saying it was 17, so 17 times, right? I ended up getting this much for it, because I took the multiple trades here, here, exiting early. A lot of emotion just popped in. Instead of being confident in the trade, as you can see, price came, rejected, leave my stop loss there, and for down here for continuation. Pull back on buying and then low volume, died out, drop. We can see here on NQ, once we reached up here, selling started really creeping back up. We had selling candle on green, selling volume on green candle. One, two, three, four, five. One, two, three, four. No, oh, I think this one is still forming. Let me grab the calculator thing here. Yeah. So one, two, three, four. Green candle, red volume, entry. Wick, no volume, entry. Right. I could have entered at the close of this up here. Right. We should have been a little higher, or yeah, or lower actually than my early entry. Because the entry would have been up here. Actually, yeah, actually would have been a lot better because I entered way down here. Could have entered up here when this closed. and would have had a better feel. I just needed to wait. Needed to wait, and needed to wait twice. Needed to wait for my levels reach. Needed to wait for the candle to close. Those are the waiting things. The waitings I needed to do, and not try something that's out of my ballpark or real park of trading. So I took multiple trades there, as you can see, up to 5 trades, and then I took 2 more trades. Um, I should have bought this one right here at this candle or this red candle. I bought it late. I was very hesitant. I should have bought here. Stop loss there. Price did end up pushing a good amount from that candle. From here to here would have been at least a 2 to 1, I believe, if not more. I did go another one. I did kind of mess this up with those 2 trades. Ended up, and also because I entered late, so the amount that I thought I could have made, I ended up not making, and basically I made like maybe $9 from those 2 trades combined. Um, and I really like threw that off. Right, I think I was trying to go. I wanted to go short, but I couldn't find a reason to go short. But the entry should have been like the entry should have been at this candle right here like that, and then there we go, boom, and then at least I would have still kind of been in the trade and not panicking. All right, even if it stopped, even if it went down, I was thinking price was going to come back up to these highs here. The price went back to this level right here. This level came from this candle. This candle comes from being the highest, one of the highest volume bars, and it's because, as you can see, when we reclaimed it, we started moving higher, and then once we broke through it, we kind of stayed below it the entire time, even at the end of the day, right? Which I wanted to catch a short move down to these levels. So it's another thing that I'm adding to the flavor of things. So it's gonna look like it's gonna look like this, like that. It's gonna be fainted, that, and it's gonna cover my charts. Right, so it goes at volume, sticks out. All right, so this is where we're gonna play. We're playing these fields, right? This in here was another area I wanted price to touch. This is important. This is the one that we broke through. We came back and we retested, as you can see, right around here. So these are the things that I'm gonna be working with. I'm gonna have these on my charts. On my other chart, I don't have anything here yet, but I'm gonna work on just keeping them because this one works with my idea of strongest volume area for an entry. Alright, so this one price is actually breaking through hard, and then it kind of just keeps going. Alright, and these are easy to spot. You see price breaks down, fully breaks out. Alright, so couldn't get back above it or below it, as you can see. Held, retested, and we grind up. This is an end of day candle, strong volume. You can see that we could probably mark this here. Price grind around it, not a strong break out of it, and price pushed up. Right, may actually delete that one and then work with this. Alright, price is below, looking for a retest, no retest. Price is above, come back down, holds it. Alright, close at it. Alright, this probably would have been a quick test, push down. We got 2. Alright, so we could probably play the lower one. Whoops. Alright, so here we go. this twice. Okay. All right, so price push down, kind of wants to hold, not doing much, not a break, strong break. Price push back up above, look for a retest, which we get here, and then we get something that I like, which is this candle right here. This is my buy candle. Stop loss could be here. Points. Price fluctuates into the noon session. All right, and pretty much it for that one. We go look at, so this is basically how my trading style will be incorporating these ideas. The strongest volume area. They won't be law, but they will be good enough to incorporate down the road. Like, let's see where this one takes us. It's a strong volume area that I like. I like to see price break it and retest, which we did here. We broke it. Very strong volume. Price topped around. We broke it. Strong volume. Retested. And then we dropped. Right? So it could enter as price is leaving out of it, and stop loss right above. Like that. No. So I did get rid of the 1 minute because I was shooting at everything that I saw move, but it was really the zero print that threw me off, not the 1 minute. So I'm gonna put the 1 minute back and then just get rid of the zero print. Here, strong volume. Another strong break, retest, and then drop, and it's all based off of that area here. Get this one. Price came to it, bounced, nice bounce, an opportunity for a buy. It's not a lot, but it's enough. That's 7 points. I'll take it. If you think we were being stopped out here, maybe move your stop loss closer and just take that and exit. Call it a day. Just want to be successful with consistency. This one here. Open, we never touched it, and some of these we don't even touch. But this one we do touch. Alright, once we broke out of it and close, we get an entry right there. And I like this wick. Entry right here. Right, we'll say, oh, it touched this one. All right, well, yeah, it did. Entry here, put that there, same thing. All right, above that one for sure. Tested that one, entry, gone. Cool. All right, so that's it for me today. Be back tomorrow.